Hi everyone, I am Rosaline M. Sawalo. Welcome to my blog. Today we're going to talk about something cool and simple discussion. It's about the three types of rocks. Before that, I'm going to discuss first what are rocks. When we say rocks, rocks are natural, solid materials made of minerals. They form the earth outer layer, tinatawag na crust, at nakikita ito kahit saan, sa bundok o sa ilog o sa lupa, at kahit sa ilalim nito ng dagat, nakikita ito. Now, I'm going to discuss the three types of rocks. We have igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the last is metamorphic rocks. First is we have igneous rocks. When we say igneous rock, this rock come from cold lava or magma. Ibig sabihin kapag lumabas ang mainit na lava mula sa bulkan at lumamig o tumigas ito at nagiging bato ito.
This is example of igneous rock. We have basalt and granite.
And the second is sedimentary rocks. When we say sedimentary rocks, these are formed from layers and sands and wood or shells that are pressed together over time. Magkaiba-iba sila nabubuo sa mga ilog o sa lawa, pwede din sa dagat. Example of sedimentary rocks. We have limestone and sandstone. And the last of rocks, we have metamorphic rocks. When we say metamorphic rocks, these used to be igneous or sedimentary rocks. But nag-change ito dahil sa matinding init or pressure sa ilalim ng lupa. The example of metamorphic rocks, we have marble and slate.
Alam niyo ba, kahit ang lupa na ginagamit natin sa pagtatanim ay galing din sa mga batong unting-unting nadurog. Ang tawag dito ay withering.
So, this is the types of rocks. So, that's it. This is the three types of rocks. We have igneous and sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Simple, right? But very important and understand the earth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye!